Heat shrink tubing is great for covering up sensitive splices in electrical work. It's often used for things like custom PC builds, Arduino, and Paracord sleeves for gaming mouse mods. But before we get into all that, let's take a look at the various kinds. So in front of me, I have two different sizes, 3/8 and 1/4 inch. And both of those come in two different varieties. We've got a regular and an adhesive lined version. Using heat shrink tubing is very easy. Simply cut an inch or two, slide it around your wire, and then after forming your splice, slide it over the joint, apply some heat with a lighter, or even better yet, a heat gun, and watch it shrink around your cable. The applications for heat shrink tubing extend far beyond electrical work though. For example, you could make paracord zipper pulls for your gear. Or a more personal example, I recently repaired a coworker's eyeglasses with heat shrink tubing. The possibilities are endless. So, whether you're working on an FPV drone build or your next paracord project, heat shrink tubing is a great way to give it a professional result.